Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on a new monitoring station or monitoring center that the Jamaica Constabulary Force opened. Now, as you know, Jamaica is moving forward with the Jamaica Eye program. Thousands of cameras have either been set up or are in the process of being set up. And in Olympic Gardens, the Olympic Gardens monitoring station or monitoring center was recently opened by the Prime Minister, where they have almost or over 50 screens where they can monitor all the activity taking place in the Olympic Gardens area. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And as you've probably heard by now, the crime in Jamaica has gone down big time. Jamaica has one of the lowest crime rates it has ever had. And one of the reasons for this is because of using the latest technology. And one such initiative or program is the Jamaica Eye program, where the police set up cameras all over a community like Olympic Gardens, and almost every stretch on the main road is covered by these cameras, so they can monitor what's going on. And these cameras are state of the art cameras that can use facial recognition to observe or identify persons in the area. 51 high definition closed circuit television cameras have been installed at critical corridors in Olympic Way, St. Andrew, West Central, as the government ramps up the use of technology to fight crime. The cameras form part of the new Jamaica Eye Monitoring Center, which was officially launched by Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness at the Olympic Gardens Police Station. Dr. Holness informed that the initiative was undertaken at a cost of more than 100 million, and the cameras were installed between April 2024 and February 2025. He said the devices will serve as a crime deterrent by eliminating blind spots. He said Olympic Gardens is a critical corridor in the St. Andrew South Police Division, serving as a connector between the commercial centers of 3 Miles and the residential and industrial zones of Seaview Gardens, Tower Hill, and Waterhouse. He said the area hums with economic activity, pedestrian movement, and vibrant community life, but it faces unique challenges, especially related to traffic safety, public order, and crime. What we're doing is not just about putting in cameras. What we are doing is securing the public space. Recognizing this, the Jamaica Constabulary Force identified the area as a priority zone for surveillance, and today I am proud to say we have acted decisively, the Prime Minister said. This is a smart investment in our people's safety, and this is only the beginning. Dr. Holness added, noting that he will be allocating a further 5 million from the Constituency Development Fund to install additional cameras in the area. You have the backbone now, you have the system in place. So it's just a matter of building out more cameras. So on the off roads in Olympic Way that don't have visibility, we're going to put cameras so that criminals have nowhere to hide. And when they think about committing an act in Olympic Way, they think twice, he pointed out. The Prime Minister said the Olympic Way project is the first full-scale ground-up installation under the Jamaica Eye program within the corporate area and will be replicated in other communities across the island. Dr. Holness informed that the monitoring system at Olympic Gardens Police Station will be staffed by trained personnel guided by principles of privacy. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.